Punch bowls. You know, they kind of remind us of junior high dances, PTA meetings. Not so much fun, but think of it this way. Friends come over, get everybody to bring their favorite snack, and you provide the perfect spiked punch. And then you've got a party. And you kind of don't even need a real punch bowl. This is actually a salad bowl from Simon Pierce. I just added a simple ladle. This is a beautiful salad bowl again from Bucci, but it's deep, high sides, a little bit of a base on it. It could be used for punch. And this gorgeous crystal piece from Martell. I don't think they meant it as a punch bowl, but can you imagine a beautiful champagne punch in here, your friends, great conversation, some candles? This is a perfect way to serve drinks.